Hello everyone and blessed be. So this is the January 2020 subscription box for Sacred Space Crate. I get this through Crate Joy. It is $45 plus $9 shipping, so $54 in the US for me. And Melissa's awesome. She is so awesome. She helped me do a giveaway with one of the boxes. She went out of her way to help me get that done with a box that was sold out, actually. She's just amazing. Plus, I love the box. So anyhow, it says the box is handcrafted and spellcrafted items to enhance your sacred spaces. And again, I get this through Crate Joy. I think you can get it through their website as well. Sacred Space Crate January 2020 unboxing. And again, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button so you know when I upload more videos. And enough of that. Here we go. Oops. So there's inside the box. I don't know if I'm going to be able to tilt it enough. I always love the picture on the inside of their box. I think it's so cool. And so looks like the theme is as above, so below. That's exciting, but it has what's in there, so I'm going to move that out of the way quickly. And every month, ooh, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. So every month we get a laminated moon calendar, and sorry about the glares of the lights, but look at that. Look at the moon, fireworks. Says who designed it. Does say all times are Central Standard Time, but it's easy enough to convert that. And it'll tell you the moon phases for the whole month. Again, it's laminated, really nice quality. And then on the back, it always has the moon and the zodiacs. So hopefully you'll be able to see that. Get that glare out of there. You can pause it on your sign and read it. And I am Sagittarius, so mine says, Moon visits Sagittarius to provoke strong positive feeling and optimism. Vitality escalates and good intentions take possession of human mind. If you believe in it, it could really happen. Don't be surprised, you can't stay in one place. Moon is projecting the desire of Sagittarius to move and travel, while all outdoor and sports activities are inherent. Take a deep breath and walk somewhere. It's a good time for recreation, excursion, or to begin a distant travel and visit foreign places. That would be nice. I got my new walker today. Makes me a lot more mobile, so hey, I'll go with that, right? So anyhow, beautiful navy blue paper. Gonna take a peek. Ooh, it's all hidden. And I am actually going to move the box off to the side and then pull things out. Because this is a very big box. There's no skimping. And I am going to start with what's on top. I love the black wiggly worms. Ew, okay. So, what have we here? I saw a little card under it that makes me pretty excited. Look at this. I think I saw one of these on another unboxing, and I was just drooling over it. So this is a frame. And then when you close the frame, it holds that little piece where it is. You see that? Does that make sense? So there we go. So you can move it down here, and then you close it and it presses it in there, so then it doesn't move. My light is funky again. There we go. And so that is very cool. I'm loving that. And in it, underneath it, was this. So it says, this certificate verifies the authenticity of this Campo del Cielo meteorite. It has been purchased from Argentina by Dancing Bear from a member of the International Meteorite Collectors Association. The IMCA adheres to the highest standards of meteorite identification and proper labeling practices. The membership maintains this high standard by monitoring each other's activities for accuracy. Now that is cool. That is very, very cool. I love that. Okay. I should have been better prepared with something to put the squigglies in. But let's see what we have here. So we got this gorgeous, gorgeous blue. That was navy. This is almost an emerald blue. The gem tones are my favorite. And cone incense. I'm not even going to pretend to guess because every time I try, I'm really wrong. But they smell really good. And there's, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, it's either my eyes or this has a bluish purple tint to it. They smell really good. But again, I'm not even going to pretend to try because I'm always wrong. So, next we have is some handmade salve. Cayenne pepper, carrier oil of sunflower, avocado, and olive, beeswax, and vitamin E. Ooh. Oh my gosh, I love that it's a twist off. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Luckily it doesn't burn. Trying to smell it, it's got very little smell. That is cool. I'm excited to read what that's for. And again, Melissa, thank you so much for the screw top. I have popped open some of those or struggled with the ones that do that. So much, much appreciated. And oh, so here's our little jar of herbs. Oops, got it backwards. Full Moon Offering Blend. Look how pretty that label is. And look at all those goodies. I see jasmine. Maybe lavender. I don't know. Cornflower. I don't know. Look at that. There we go. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, it smells so earthy. Oh, I just snorted it. It smells really, really, really earthy. Beautiful. Love that smell. And they always, so far, have sent one of these jars, which I absolutely love. For one, I love the size. And then also, too, if you can see that, you can set it like this, or you can also set it like this. I have a set of bigger ones that I set like this on my counter with herbs that I use for cooking a lot. Anyhow, I love it. And it's always packed full. Always. Ooh, another gorgeous bag with a mystery stone in here, which looks blue, but that's because the bag is blue, so we will find out. Oh my gosh, it is blue. Oh my gosh. Can you see that? I don't know if you're picking up the sparkles. There's sparkles all through it, and it is just, wow. There it goes. It's gorgeous. I don't know. I'm not going to try to guess, but wow. I'm going to spend some time with that later. That is, I don't know. And it's not just the color. The color is amazing, but the energy is just, wow. All right. Guess that I have to find spots for the wiggle worms. Oh. So the next one is handcrafted spell candle drawing down the moon. Again, another gorgeous, gorgeous tin. Oh, look at that. Stones, flowers, glitter. Can't tell if that's opalite or what. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, soft smell. Oh, what is it? I'm not even going to pretend to know, but it is such a calming smell. It reminds me of just sitting outside on your porch, that perfect time, the weather's perfect, just drawing in that breath. That smells really good. Okay, so next we have anti-aging hyaluronic. I'm gonna mess that up. It's facial serum, okay? Okay. It says applied to damp, clean face before moisturizing. See, I love that it has a mix. It has the apothecary, which I love, and it has the stones and the herbs and everything else. It's such a great mix of all of that. I wouldn't particularly like something that is heavy on one, unless that's what if you get a crystal box, you expect it to be heavy on crystals. You know what I'm saying. Look at that. I'm excited to try that, because aging I am. That's okay. I'm proud of it. Oh, now we have advanced to a blue satiny bag. I'm cheating because I'm feeling what it feels like in there. And you see it? What we got? Oh. Is that gorgeous? I think this is opalite. Opalite is just stunning to me. It's beautiful. You know, there's a man-made aspect to it, and some people take offense of that, but you know, we were made to invent and create and nurture and use what nature gave us. And opalite, I think, is one of my favorite stones that has some man-made qualities in it. I love it, and I still believe 100% that there's amazing magical energy in that. Okay, I think we got 3 more things. Unless something's hiding from me. Yep, looks like 3 more things. So we have this. Let's see what we got here. Ooh. Ooh, so it's a candle holder. And those are feathers. Oh, that's so cool. Perfect for an air elemental candle. That is gorgeous. I love that. I don't have a small enough candle near me, but that is beautiful. I love that. All right, second to last thing. Cute little brown box. And inside, user error. Did I open it upside down? No, I think it just sank in there. Is I don't want to, there we go. Oh, look at that. So it's got the moon and stars. And there's a word for this, but I can't remember. It starts with a C, where it's raised up like that. That is gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful. And as always, I absolutely love the little beds of moss. Very, very much. Okay, so I'm going to dig through here. Oh, I just dropped noodles, and I'm going to have to grab them before my cat gets to them. Yep. Is this big box. It's got quite a bit of weight. Nothing to spoil the surprise on the outside. And now we have this gorgeous blue box. So all the themes. I'm loving this. I'm loving it. Let's see. Oh, I don't know what it is, but I'm really excited. Oh, we have an orb stand. It's beautiful. I'll show it closer in a minute. I want to see this, like, now. Look at that. Oh, my God. I can't be patient. Oh, what? No, 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 no. What? Oh, sorry. You want to see it too, don't you? Can you see that? That's... Where's that? Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh, sorry, it's reflecting everything behind it. Can you see? Oh, of course you can see it. I need to just stop. Calm down. That is gorgeous. Let me see. Does that help or make it worse? Not so much. Here, let's try something blue. Oh, there we go. That helps some. Look at that. Okay, I'm spending way too much time with this. I'm really sorry, but oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Oh, there's a good shot. Oh my gosh. And here's a stand that comes with it. Guys and ladies and gals and everybody. I'm gonna try to attempt to take my camera off the tripod and get down here. That is gorgeous. And then my light is going to mess up the picture. Wow. Okay. So I am so excited and so impressed by this box. I absolutely love everything in it. Up until this came out, I was gonna say this was probably my favorite. There's something about the color that draws me in. I'm absolutely loving it. Although I'm pretty darn impressed with that. That is very cool. So those two kind of tied, but then this came out, and I'm sorry, but this is it for me. Although I love everything. Gorgeous, gorgeous. So impressed. Like I said, this is a Sacred Crate, or sorry, I'm too excited. Sacred Space Crate for $45 plus $9 shipping in the US. I'm going to try to put my camera back up here so I can get to the papers. Wow. Okay. Wow yourself. Okay, so I'm going to try to get this so you can read it. You can pause it. If something isn't clear, let me know. back. Oh, it's a moonstone bracelet. Look at that. Right there. See, that's why unless I really know it, like Labradorite or something like that, I need to just, well, it's fun to guess. It's fun to guess even if you're wrong, right? That's all right. Wonderful Melissa and the gang, I'm sure. So, yeah, universe etched crystal ball with stand. This beautiful clear crystal ball was custom made with the universe etched into it, so that so that when you're using it, you are connecting mentally with messages from the universe. Crystal balls are used for scrying and gazing because they are uniform all around and form a spherical lens. Because of its shape, any clear ball, such as a quartz, crystal, or glass, will have a curvature that bends the rays of light to form a focal point. Since crystal balls have no edge like traditional lenses do, the focal point is omnidirectional. This makes it ideal for gazing. No matter which way the crystal ball is positioned, it is perfect for looking deep within. And I'll let you guys read the rest. I wanted to check that stone. That's a sodalite? Small sodalite stone. I chose this stone for this box because it is great to use during your drawing down the moon meditation. Excellent for psychic development and meditation. Other stones are known to simply open up the inner doorway to the universal plane, overwhelming one's psyche. Sodalite opens this doorway gently, easing it open, allowing one to accept and absorb the knowledge without being overwhelmed, thus allowing one to begin working with new information and abilities easier than if they have came upon subtly. And I'll let you read the rest. Wow. I did not expect that to be the answer for this one. But oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Anyhow, Melissa, I'm in love. I'm loving this box. I'm grinning ear to ear. So anyhow, I hope you all enjoyed the unboxing. Tell me what your favorite thing is. Are you getting this box? If so, what do you think about it? And I'm gonna go upload these, and then I'm gonna sit and stare at this for like the rest of the night, probably. Anyhow, again, remember, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Blessed be.